Speak Up English, the key to success.
Sophia, I want to make sure our presentation leaves a lasting impression. How can we improve our English speaking skills?
Great question, Ryan. Let's start by focusing on our delivery. Speaking clearly and confidently is key.
Agreed. I've been practicing my pronunciation, but I still feel a bit nervous.
Don't worry, Ryan. The more we practice, the more confident we'll become. Let's rehearse together, shall we?
Your enunciation is excellent, Sophia. I can learn a lot from you.
And you have a great pace, Ryan. Just remember to take deep breaths to stay composed.
Thanks for the advice. We make a great team.
Indeed, Ryan. We're both dedicated to making this presentation outstanding.
To becoming more articulate and confident presenters.
Cheers to that, Ryan. May our efforts in mastering English presentation skills shine through in our delivery.
Sophia, I want our presentation to be not just informative but also engaging. Any ideas on how we can achieve that?
Absolutely, Ryan. One technique is to use visuals like graphs and images to support our points. Visuals can make complex information more accessible to the audience.
I like that idea. It will keep the audience interested and help them grasp the key takeaways.
Additionally, let's make use of rhetorical devices like anecdotes, questions, or even humor to captivate their attention.
Humor can be a powerful tool to connect with the audience and keep them invested in our presentation.
And don't forget to maintain eye contact. It shows confidence and creates a connection with the listeners.
You're right, Sophia. Eye contact is essential for building rapport and credibility.
To engaging our audience and making our presentation unforgettable.
Cheers to that, Sophia. May our efforts to captivate the audience result in a successful and memorable presentation. Sophia, I want our presentation to flow smoothly. How can we structure it to make it easy for the audience to follow?
That's a crucial aspect, Ryan. Let's begin with a clear introduction, stating our purpose and what the audience can expect.
Then we can move on to the main points, providing supporting evidence for each one.
And let's make sure to summarize the key takeaways in our conclusion, reinforcing the main message.
I like the idea of a strong conclusion. It will leave a lasting impression on the audience.
Also, let's practice transitions between the sections, so our presentation flows seamlessly.
Your attention to detail is remarkable, Sophia. Together, we're covering all the bases.
Teamwork is key, Ryan. We complement each other's strengths and ensure a well-rounded presentation.
To a well-structured and cohesive presentation.
May our preparation and collaboration shine through, making our presentation impactful and effective.
Sophia, I know the Q&A session can be challenging. How can we handle questions effectively?
You're right, Ryan. The key is to stay composed and listen carefully to each question.
So, we should take a moment to understand the question before responding.
Exactly. If we need clarification, we can ask the person to elaborate. It shows that we value their input.
Your ability to remain composed is admirable, Sophia. I tend to get a bit nervous during Q&A.
It's normal to feel that way, Ryan. We can practice mock Q&A sessions to build our confidence.
That sounds like a great idea. The more we prepare, the more comfortable we'll be.
And if we don't know the answer to a question, it's okay to say that we'll look into it and get back to the person later.
Honesty is essential. It shows that we're committed to providing accurate information.
To handling questions with confidence and professionalism.
Cheers to that, Sophia. May our preparation and composure during the Q&A session leave a positive impression on the audience. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today.
We're excited to share our insights on this important topic.
Throughout our presentation, we'll be using visuals to support our key points, making it easier for you to follow along.
And feel free to ask questions at any time. We value your input and would love to hear your thoughts.
In conclusion, we believe that implementing these strategies can lead to significant improvements.
Let's embrace diversity, support each other, and work together towards a brighter future.
Thank you all for your kind attention and thoughtful questions.
If you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to ask. We're here to provide further insights.
We did it.
Yes, we did. Our teamwork and preparation paid off.
Thank you all for your participation. We hope you found our presentation valuable.
We're grateful for this opportunity to share our knowledge with you.
This is amazing. I'm so glad we were able to connect with the audience.
It's a testament to our hard work and dedication. Our English presentation skills have truly improved.
To continuous improvement and growth as presenters.
Cheers to that, Ryan. May we continue to shine in future presentations, knowing that we've become confident and effective communicators. If you found this video helpful, entertaining, or inspiring, give it a thumbs up. It tells us that you enjoyed it, and it helps others find this content too.
If you think this video could benefit someone else, sharing is caring. Click that share button and pass it along to your friends or anyone who might find it valuable.
If you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with our latest videos, and it means the world to us.